Welcome back to CAD Concepts. Today we will explore 6 powerful and most time-saving AutoCAD Lisp routines. Lisp routines additional tool in AutoCAD. Must watch out completely. You will get amazing tips and tricks that you can definitely introduce in your work. So without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1. Fast fix. We will combine number of 5 commands in one shortcut. Okay. Purge, overkill, zoom extend, save and close. These different objects we have here. If you see here, line, rectangle, circle, spline, even block. So multiple objects we have here. Let this very carefully, okay. And similar object we are getting duplicate copy also, okay, for number of objects. So what I will do, let this very carefully. I will take this part copy, okay. So number of objects we have and number of duplicate copy overlapping, okay. So let this here PZC and hit enter. Okay, duplicate object close, okay. Just okay. Okay, what happened exactly? The drawing suddenly got close. See, we are getting proper zoom extent, suddenly close, all the duplicate object got removed and drawing got purged also. So when you type PZC, which is shortcut for that Lisp, it perform all the 5 operation: purge, then overkill, then zoom extend, and then save the drawing and then close. So it does all the operation in one shortcut. So with this command, you can simply do all the operation, all the 5 operation in one go. So this is the fastest way to quickly neat and clean your drawing and instantly close in just one command, which is PZC with this powerful Lisp routine. Number 2, quick save and close. In this Lisp routine, I have combined number of 3 command only: zoom extend, save and close, okay. For example, I want suddenly close the drawing in just one command, including zoom extend plus save plus close. All these 3, let this here, ZSC and enter. See what happened exactly. Your drawing automatically got zoom extend and got automatically saved and instantly got close. So if you want to work with different drawing and you want to save quickly, you can use this powerful Lisp routine that save, zoom extend and close in one time. Number 3, duplicate copy. If you see here, number of different objects we have, okay. Line, P-line, arc, circle, block, different objects we have. These are the objects. There is no overlapping, there is no number of copy, okay. So what I want to create number of similar copy over the same object, okay. Again, I want to create duplicate copy as much as I want for multiple objects. Let this CPY and just select all, okay, and hit enter. When you will hit enter, it asks you number of copy, okay, 1 to 9, let this here 8, and when you will enter, so number of copy will be created and will override. If you see here, so number of copy, it can be anything, block, P-line, object, so it will copy as much as you want and will overlap perfectly. If you see here, so all the object we are getting number of 8 copy additionally. If you see here, different objects, you want to make similar copy over the object, you can do this way. Rarely, but this way you can create number of copy objects as you see here. Number 4, layer by block name. Okay, if you see here, this number of blocks we have. This block we are getting with name, okay. If you see here, basin, cooker, dining table, icebox, it can be anything, okay. So what I want to create block based activated layer, okay. For example, there is no layer, right? So as per block, separate layer and will got activated also. Okay, let this here LNB, which is layer by block. Okay, now you see here you are getting all the block separate layer, and all the block got activated also. If you see, if I will on off the layer, it will affect our block area. If you see here, so this way you can create all the block layer in just one time with proper activated layer, as you see here. Number 5, batch text editor, one of the most favorite Lisp routine. Okay, if you see here, number of text we have, I want to batch edit. Okay, let this here BTE, which is batch text editor. Select all the text. Okay, hit enter. You are getting original text and new text. Okay, so what you do, as much as text you want to edit, just type here. If you see here, original text will be as it is, new text will be added. Okay, and once you finalize your edit, what you do, let this here, just okay. Now it got changed everywhere. So this way you can edit multiple text in one time. Let this again, for this much only, select, enter and change here. As you see here, I am changing perfectly. So this is the fastest way and only way. There is no any available way. Okay, so but this way, using this powerful Lisp routine, you can perfectly batch edit your entire text, whether you can check out or you can rename. Number 6, create auto layers. I want to create number of layers, okay, in just one time. See, there is no any layer. What I will do, let this ALC, hit enter. When you will hit enter, you will get automatic all the layers. Just I have added architectural layer, MEP layer and structural layer. So it got added perfectly in your layer list. So how we got this and how you make this? Let this very simply. Okay, for example, this Lisp code we have here. So you can customize here simply, and you can place your own text, and you can simply insert this Lisp routine in AutoCAD, and you just type ALC, hit enter. You will get number of layer in just one time. I hope you got this video helpful. We are not limited to this. Must explore more than 350 plus advanced automation tasks that save you a lot of time and effort. You can check out the link below and just download and explore your AutoCAD with lot of time saving and lot of reducing effort. Must check out the link below. I hope you got this video helpful. EverCAD concepts help you. Must like, share and subscribe. Of course, don't forget to join membership. This is the best possible way to support those who influence your knowledge and learning. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.